Hi, I'm Nate. I'm from Cleveland. I'm here at Fallingwater doing the Biophilic Design Residency. I was here last year for the Studio 1 residency, and it was kind of a similar experience. Just a really good environment, a beautiful house, generally a really good natural environment to be in. So with the Biophilic Design course, I've always been really interested in architecture in general. Recently, I've been leaning a lot into like green architecture and sustainable architecture, and so I really thought it was really important to kind of look at how Wright integrated the house into the landscape. So I designed a pavilion, like a gathering space sort of. One of the things that I really like about it is I positioned it sort of just downstream of the house and kind of like off the hillside, built over the rhododendrons that grow out of the hillside. And I put openings in the floor so that the rhododendrons would be able to grow up through the openings and kind of be part of the space when you enter the structure. And another thing from the house, in the living room at Fallingwater, there's the hatch that kind of goes down into the stream. The way I kind of designed it, I implemented a slanted roof so that the cool air from the stream would be able to kind of enter the structure, and then the hot air would rise up the slanted roof and kind of exit out the back, keep the whole structure cooler. In general, the residency was just an amazing experience all around, seeing the house, being in the environment, and the studio space as well. Just generally a great environment to be in.